Hello, friends. Welcome to Flow English Channel.
Hi, everyone. I'm David.
And I'm Sarah. Welcome back to our channel.
Quick question. When someone asks you, what are your hobbies? Do you freeze?
Don't worry. Today we will learn how to talk about your hobbies in English.
By the end of this video, you will be able to talk about your hobbies confidently.
So stay with us and don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons.
I like to call this lesson, Your Hobbies Made Easy.
I'm so happy you are here. Talking about hobbies is fun and useful.
And sometimes it's a great way to start a conversation with new friends.
That's right. And today we will make it simple and natural for beginners.
Friendly, easy, and maybe a little funny too.
Let's get started.
First, let's learn some common hobbies.
Great idea. Some hobbies are reading, cooking, playing football, listening to music, and painting.
Let's see them in a conversation.
So imagine we meet someone new. I can ask, "Hi, what are your hobbies?"
And you can answer, I like reading and cooking.
Perfect. Notice the word like. We use like plus verbing for hobbies.
For example, I like swimming. I like dancing. I like playing football.
Very simple. Now sometimes we use love too. It's stronger than like.
Right. For example, I love listening to music.
I love painting.
Let's try a short story.
Yesterday I went to the park. I was painting.
Really? I was reading a book in my room.
So we both enjoy our hobbies.
See, talking about hobbies can be easy and fun.
Let's learn some phrases to make it even better.
Good idea.
You can say, I enjoy, or I like.
And for sports, we can say, I play. For example, I play football. I play basketball.
And for creative hobbies, we use I like or I love. For example, I like painting. I love singing.
Let's repeat everything slowly. I like reading.
I like cooking.
I love listening to music.
I play football.
You can also ask about someone else's hobbies. Just say, what do you like to do?
Example. Hi, David. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading and playing football. What about you?
I love cooking and painting.
And that's how a simple conversation about hobbies happens.
Notice how we ask, answer, and repeat the hobbies. That's the secret.
And don't forget, beginners, you can always use your own hobbies.
Yes, even simple hobbies like walking, listening to music, or watching TV are perfect.
All right, let's practice together now. Ready? I will ask you, and you repeat after me.
First question, what do you like to do?
Say it with me. I like reading.
Now try another. I play football.
And one more. I love listening to music.
Excellent. Remember, you can mix your hobbies. For example, I like painting and cooking.
And you can ask your friend too. What are your hobbies?
Good job. Keep practicing aloud. That's the key.
Let's summarize what we learned today.
First, we learned how to answer I like, I love, I play.
Second, we learned how to ask, what are your hobbies? Or, what do you like to do?
Third, we learned some common hobbies: reading, cooking, football, painting, listening to music.
Fourth, we practiced a small conversation.
Fifth, we learned how to combine hobbies. I like reading and painting.
You did great today. Keep practicing, and soon, talking about hobbies will be easy.
Thank you so much for watching.
Yes, thank you. Please comment below with your hobbies. We want to read them.
And share this video with your friends who are learning English.
Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons like this.
Next time, we will learn how to talk about your daily routine in English.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye!